eliminating dairy from your diet can not only help you to feel good if you have some lactose or casein intolerance, but it is also a very effective way to speed up your weight loss. Welcome to Beautonic Live, and today I would love to talk to you about dairy substitutions. Let's get started. Many of us have some sort of lactose intolerance. So it's very important to know what to eliminate from our diet to be fully dairy-free, and also to know dairy substitution so we can enjoy ketogenic lifestyles without dairy. Let's begin with products that we should avoid to be fully dairy-free. So, what you should eliminate completely is milk, butter, all milk-based cheeses, whey in all forms, yogurt in all forms, cream cheese, Greek yogurt, sour cream, half and half, heavy cream, puddings, custard. Those are the most common and popular dairy products, but the list is longer. So now let's focus on things and products that we can eat. Let me show you dairy substitution, which I love and I use in my kitchen very often. Whole milk replacement. I love to use in my kitchen coconut milk. For me, this is the best way to replace regular milk to dairy-free milk. We have a lot of versions of coconut cream. We have light one, full fat coconut. We can get it coconut milk from can. Also almond milk is great alternative to regular milk. In recipes, you can substitute regular milk with those milks in a 1-to-1 ratio. How to substitute heavy cream? You can use coconut cream. You can either buy coconut milk online or in the store, or scoop the top of the cream of chilled coconut milk from the can. If you'd like to drink coffee or tea lattes, I love to use MCT oil. You can blend it with your beverage and you will have such a nice creamy and smooth consistency. I love it. You can also use protein powder as a creamer substitute. This one is made of coconut. How to substitute butter? For frying, I love to use coconut oil and avocado oil. To spread my keto bread, I love to use nut and seed butters. Almond butter. If you wanna get more information about nut seeds, check my previous video. For baking, I love to use melted coconut oil and also coconut manna. You will use those products same way you would use butter. Let's talk about cheese. There are a lot of cheese substitutes on the market. Vegan cheeses made of nuts and different dairy-free ingredients, but you know what? I don't recommend them to you because a lot of them have not keto compliant ingredients, so it is very important to read ingredients to make sure there is no sugar, extra sugar, or in other ingredients that are not keto compliant. For example, tapioca starch. So if you know some cheese replacement, some substitute, just let me know below the video and I would love to taste it. My only substitute for cheese is nutritional yeast. I love use this product on my salad. I always sprinkle a little bit on my salad. This has a similar flavor profile to Parmesan cheese. I also use this in my sauces and as a breading. Cream cheese. I have a good news for you. Nowadays we have a lot of product available on the market to use as a cream cheese. I love this brand, Miako's, and also Kite Hill has a great cream cheese and tree nuts. If you know more companies who are providing keto compliant cream cheeses also, please mention in the comments. For yogurt substitute, we can use coconut yogurt, we can also use almond yogurt, but remember to read labels to make sure that all the ingredients are keto friendly. Protein powder substitute. Very common and popular are whey and casein powders, but we cannot use them if we want to be fully dairy free. So what I like to use, what I love to use is egg white powder. Now companies coming up with different flavors. You can get chocolate flavor, even strawberry flavor. So egg whites are a great substitution for whey protein. You can also use collagen and protein powder made of coconut. So this is pretty much it for this video, and I hope you find it helpful. So thank you so much for watching, and if you have any question or maybe you have some suggestion what to eat, what companies you recommend for dairy-free keto lifestyle, please remember to subscribe to my channel, and I also have a keto starter program for you, so if you would like to try it, please check the link below the video. Thank you and see you in the next one.